God, it looks so good. Man, it is Saturday night, and tomorrow we've got the NorCal Mufflers Cars and Coffee meet, which is going to be the first big meet, actually the first meet that I'm taking my GTR to since I've got it wrapped. So now I've got to get her wiped down because I was driving it yesterday and it started raining, and now there is water drops and dirt all over the car. So I'm going to wipe it down right now and get it ready and nice and shiny for the Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning. For those of you who are curious what I'm using to wipe down the car, I've just got water in a spray bottle, a microfiber towel. That's all I need because the car's not really dirty. However, I did just buy a Chemical Guys wrap spray wash and some more microfiber towels, which I'll be using in the future to clean the car. But because I don't have it yet, it's just a little bit of warm water and some towels. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. As always, I hope you are having a wonderful day. It is Sunday morning. It is bright and early. It is really cold, and we are heading over to the NorCal Muffler Cars and Coffee. It is a Thanksgiving food drive, so I got some organic brown rice, and we're going to take the freshly wrapped GTR over there and see what people think of it. Let's go. Well, I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The bad news is my camera glitched out pretty bad when I got to the Cars and Coffee, and I wasn't able to record any of the cars that were there or get any of the event captured. So that's the bad news. The good news is I remedied the situation by getting a new camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to that new camera in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Is it on? All right, guys, well, here it is. There you have it. I am now vlogging on my new camera. It is a Canon EOS R, and it comes with the native 24-105 lens. I absolutely love this camera. I did so much research before I went out and got one, and it just so happens that I was able to get a really good deal on a used one, and I got it for about half the price. But I'm so happy because, as you can see, this image is just so much better than my other camera. So hopefully this will take my vlogging to the next level. Hopefully you guys will look at this and say, oh my God, it looks so much better. I can't wait to see his GTR and all these other videos that he's going to come out with. And hopefully it'll get you to subscribe, hit the notifications bell, leave comments, and do all that fun stuff. So with all of that being said, let's go on with our day. I am over at NorCal Muffler. I'm about to get an oil change because I am actually hosting a drag event at Sacramento Raceway this Sunday, where I'm gonna have a whole bunch of cars there. We're gonna be dragging our cars, and it's gonna be an amazing event. I can't wait. I'm gonna be vlogging. There's gonna be tons of camera shots, drone footage, GoPros, all the good stuff that you guys want to see. I'm gonna be bringing it to you, dropping a really awesome video with all that awesome content. So please be sure to stick around for that, and I'm gonna go get my oil changed right now. All right, guys, we got the money shot. Oh,
saved it.
Nice.
All right, that's some dirty oil.
Yeah.
Oh, oh yeah. Must be.
All right, here we go. Look at you with the gloves and the funnel.
Only the Signature Series goes in this piece.
Oh yeah.
That's one of them.
Nice. Look at that. All right, let's check that level.
get it. Can't get it.
It's
I'm gonna put my finger there. Will that work?
No, it's all good. It doesn't matter.
It's all good. Awesome.
Well, this vlog is certainly going to shit. My battery died at the end of the oil change, so I couldn't really close out that part of the video, so I know this is kind of a weird transition, but what I'm gonna do to try to bring this video back is I'm gonna unbox a couple of packages that I received in the mail. Some of them are things that I purchased, some of them are things that people have sent me, so I'm just gonna unbox them and show you guys what I got. Let's do that. Okay, so first up we have a package. I have no idea what's in here. How many of you guys know what this sticker is? Tuner Cult. I spent a decent amount of money and I got some shirts from Tuner Cult because they are giving away an R34. And if I can win it, that would be amazing, and I would love to be able to feature a car like that on my channel. What's this one? Tuner Cult. And I figured, hey, you know what? If I don't win, at least I got some shirts out of it. So this next package, this is from Hydrosilix. So they reached out to me and they asked me to review their product. This is actually a, let's see here. So we got a wax and grease remover, and we've got a ceramic coating. So what I'm gonna do, actually, this is pretty good timing since I just got my car wrapped. I do want to ceramic coat it. So I'm going to wipe it down with the wax and grease remover, and then I'm gonna hit it with the ceramic coating. And these are cool because these are just wipes. You open them up and you just basically wax on, wax off. So I'm gonna be doing that. I might actually do it on the Audi because I'm gonna be getting a special ceramic coating treatment from Clarity Auto Works on my GTR. But I will definitely be doing a review of these on my channel in the future, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so next up, I already opened this up out of its mailing packaging, but this is a really cool wallet that I got from Slick Flick. So I'm gonna come up closer. What's cool about this is it's carbon fiber, and it's really high quality. And what's neat about it is you put your cards in it, and then you push this button and it'll actually pop out the cards so you can grab whichever card you want to use at the time that you're going to use it. Another cool feature, it's RFID blocking, so you know people can't like steal, you know, if they have some type of thing that reads cards, they can't like steal it while your cards are in your wallet. So this is really cool. I'm gonna be taking a sweet picture of this wallet in front of my GTR and posting it on my Instagram sometime here in the next couple of days. So that's really cool. Thanks guys for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. Okay, next up, I don't even know what this is. It's from 8080. They're giving away a GTR right now. They're also giving away a Huracan, I believe. So I always just enter these silly little contests with the hopes of, hey, you know what, if I win, I win. If I don't, I got a new item, a new article of clothing. This one, oh, perfect timing. Because I'm actually kind of getting tired of this hat. I wear it a lot. So I went out and I got a new hat. GTR, baby. All right. I gotta put it on. Ooh. It definitely needs to get broken in, but oh, that's sick. All right, new hat, love it. Okay, this, I have no clue what this is. Yes, I guess I really want to win that R34 because I bought another shirt from Tuner Cult. Okay, and last thing I've got to unbox, thanks for bearing with me while I do all of this. Okay, this is actually the cleaner that I got from Chemical Guys. It's literally just called Wrap Detailer. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. Wrap Detailer, and you basically just spray it on your car and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. I think I bought 12 microfiber towels. So I'm gonna be using those to get the GTR looking fresh anytime it's dirty. So that's all the unboxing I have. Oh no, wait, no. Okay, I can't believe I almost forgot this. So I know I mentioned earlier that I am hosting a drag racing event this Sunday at the Sacramento Raceway. So I went out and I got myself a helmet and a fire jacket. So I'm gonna open those up right now. Okay, here's the helmet, packaged up. Boom, look at that. Full face. I wanted to go full face. I think it looks cooler than like the 3/4 face. Perfect fit. And then check this out too. Don't mind my hair. I don't think I've got a haircut since, I don't know, it's been at least 2 months. So I went out and I also got a fire jacket since my car will be running faster than, I think it's 11.5, you need a fire jacket. Boom, safety first, guys. All right, so speaking of the drag race event, race day is actually tomorrow, and this vlog is actually not gonna be released until a couple days after, so by the time you guys are watching this, the drag race event will have been a couple days ago, and I'll be in the process of editing that video and getting it ready for you, so stick around for that. That's gonna be super awesome. We've got somewhere between 20 and 30 cars showing up. They're all really cool cars. Some of them are extremely, extremely modified, so I'm like super pumped because I really wanna see the times that my car puts down. I wanna see the times that my buddies' cars put down, and I really wanna see how well my car does compared to these like 1,000 horsepower, maybe 1,300 horsepower cars that might be showing up. So I'm really pumped for that, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. Now the other thing that we've got going on is we are actually hosting a Friendsgiving event today, and so I want to bring you guys in and show you some of the decorations and some of the cool stuff that we got going on inside the house. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Trying to say hi to YouTube?
Definitely not.
Ooh. We're gonna have some chunky mashed potatoes. All right, so these are all of our wonderful decorations. We got the 2 bars, they light up. We got another bar right here. And then we have the kids bar with water and juice. Look at this. My wife did all these decorations. Every single one. I literally did nothing. You guys ready? Look at this. Now, I know what you guys are thinking when you see all of these tables and chairs, but don't worry. They will all be empty. We'll only have somewhere between 6 and 10 people here, and it'll be 3 or less households because we like to follow the rules. But look at this, she did such a good job. Look at this. We got Indian corn and some turkeys. Look at this. Here's the photo booth area. It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but we got a hat rack. We got all sorts of cool things in here. And then, I don't know if you guys remember from my previous vlog where I was giving a tour of my house and said this is the room where we do the karaokeing. Well, we got the karaoke set up. We got 4 mics, a big speaker, and we just subscribed to some karaoke app for the TV. So it's going down tonight. Karaoke is going down. All right, so in there we have a turkey that we're baking, and I've got to check on it. Let's take a look. Yeah. I know it's hard to see, but oh my God, you guys. This thing smells so good.
Yeah. Big fat turkey.
Yep. Yeah, that oil is hot.
We're pretty close down.
All right, so as you guys can see, deep frying a turkey is some pretty stressful business, but let's check it out inside the deep fryer. Here we go. I might actually add a little bit more oil to cover the top of that. Good morning, friends. I decided not to get any clips of Friendsgiving last night. I wanted to keep it a little more personal and private party. I know you wanted to see some of the craziness. We did get a little bit crazy, however. I just wanted to keep that off camera. Now, with that being said, today is Sunday morning. We are getting ready to head over to the drag strip so that way we can do some drag racing. So with that being said, I'm gonna sign off today's video. Thank you guys for stopping by, checking out my channel. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.